very happy to be back with you all. So today we will discuss about two different but equally enjoyable hobbies. Here with me and my friends.
Sania Mafia, you can call me Sania.
Okay, Sania, how are you?
Hi Ika, I'm fine, thank you. It's a great to be here to share stories about our hobbies. What about you? Who are you?
Okay, about hobbies. I'm kind too, thank you. And lately I've been touring a lot outside the city. It feels like so good to be able to explore new place and feel freedom on the road. What I wonder that what makes you like to sing?
I love singing because that's how I express myself. Every time I sing, I feel free and can forget all the problems. Music can also bring people together, and I love sharing this moment with others. Do you remember the first time we met and you taught us a story about your tour?
Sure. I remember we meet at the festival Kajen show, and you told me about your experience singing on stage. I'm impressed with your spirit. Meanwhile, I only started touring about 2 years ago. Initially, I just dabbled, but now I am completely in love with this activity.
That was touring can indeed provide a different experience. I also love hearing stories from people who travel. Are there any interesting experience when you tour?
So many. One of the most memorable experience was when I toured to Semarang, like Lawang Sewu. I met a group of the motorcycle there, and we spent time together, sharing stories and experiences. It feels like I'm finding a new family on the street. So, what about you? Is there a special moment when you sing?
I think the festival in Pekalongan, the view was amazing. Was one of the most memorable. In addition, I have also sing at the charity event. It feels very satisfying to be able to use my voice for a good cause. What about you? Do you have a favorite place while touring?
Um, yeah, I have one of my favorite place is Telomoyo in Kabupaten Semarang. So the view is amazing, and I was able to take a break while enjoying nature. I also like interact with with the people in there. They are very friendly. I remember once I stopped at a small stall and talked to the owner. He told me the story of the place, and I felt very inspired.
Oh, that sounds fun. I also like to interact with people when I sing. Sometimes I get immediate feedback from the audience, and it's very motivating. Have you ever gotten tip or advice from people you meet while touring?
Yeah, I very often many more experience that motorcyclists give tips on the best route or our place of interest to visit. I really appreciate those suggestions, and sometimes I also get recommendation on where to eat.
That's important. Good food can make trip even more memorable. I also love trying local food as I sing in a new place. It was like exploring the local culture. Are there any special food that you try while touring?
A lot. One of the I remember the most is meatball food.
Yeah, yeah. I think you very much like a big boy.
Yeah, it tastes very delicious and different from what I used to eat. So I also like to try street food. I am always whenever I stop, I am always looking for unique local food. So what about you? Is there a food that you always look for when you're at the singing show?
I love looking for dessert. Usually, I look for cake or snack that are typical of the area. It was nice to be able to enjoy food while sharing experience with friends. In addition, I also like to share food with the audience after the show. It can be a great way to connect with them.
Okay, that's great idea. Food can indeed be a bridge to build a relationship. I think both touring and singing both give us the opportunity to connect with others. So want to ask you, do you have a favorite song that you always sing?
Yes, I really like singing the song. I think Latina song because
So wait, Latina song. So what the lyrics? You maybe you memorable in the lyrics.
I think it's not a song, but it's a playlist song.
Oh, playlist. Playlist
Yeah.
Latina.
Yeah,
Okay.
because the song always the mini song in playlist Latina song always makes me feel happy and energetic. Every time I sing it, I feel like I can bring the atmosphere to life. What about you? Is there a song that you always listen to while touring?
Yeah, I have. I like to listen rocks while
It's so
touring.
cool.
I like
It's
the
so
scream.
cool.
You know the scream. Like maybe you can try the scream.
I not can try.
Maybe you can.
No.
Look,
I can.
So
I can.
so look, you like sing. You like sing. Can you maybe scream the
No,
rock?
I don't.
Why?
I cannot because it's very it's very
Your
Yeah.
your head like pain.
it's very pain for me. I don't like scream.
Okay, when I touring, I like listen to rock songs. Maybe when when I feel sad, you I listen to sad songs. Maybe like Tetap Dalam Jiwa.
Isyana Saraswati.
Yes,
Right?
yes.
Yeah, I know.
Maybe you can try.
No. I know. I can try. I cannot try.
Uh, why I like listen to rocks? Important is rocks. It feels like very suitable for the atmosphere there on the streets. Music can make the trip even more exciting. I also like to create a custom playlist. Maybe I wanted to try playlist Latina from from her for each trip. It made me feel more connected to journey was I talking.
Yeah, agree. Music can complement each other. Maybe one day we can do touring while singing on the street. We can make our trip more memorable by combining our two hobbies.
Two hobbies combine.
Yeah.
Combine when she like sing and I like touring maybe in on the motorcycle.
Yeah.
See in my
We can singing together in the touring.
okay. Maybe we can touring in. Oh, we has touring in Tegal, Gucci.
Yeah.
So and not touring,
Not touring,
but
you.
Yeah. I come her house.
Yeah.
Her house.
In my house.
Yeah. So her she to see no to Gucci with me.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, maybe in the next plane we next plane hour. So that's very interesting idea.
Yeah.
We can plan a trip to a place that has beautiful scenery and also a place that we can display. So thank you for sharing about our hobby today. Sania Mafia, I really enjoyed this conversation.
Thank you, Ika. It's nice to be able to share how can we can travel together and create new memories.
Okay, see you next
Episode.
in the next episode.
Bye.
Sorry if my conversation with she is don't
Mhm.
make you understand. Okay.
See you.